Hi beautiful, this is my chia seed, my rosemary, my hibiscus and flaxseed. So these things I'm going to use it to make hair mask. So stay tuned and watch to the end because this hair mask is a mind-blowing hair mask. I'm sharing a secret, the things that I'm using growing my hair, keeping my hair moisture, keeping my hair elastic, and my daughter. That one I want to share with you guys. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So guys, as you guys can see, I pour all my ingredients into my bowl or my pan. I added water inside. While we start boiling, let me take you guys to the benefit of these powerful ingredients. Let's check about the chia seed first. Chia benefit is stimulating hair, reducing breaking and hydrating scalp, adding shine. Chia also having omega-3 fatty acid, zinc, potassium, vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and vitamin B3 and iron. What amazing, right? This thing is very amazing. It's good for us to be using, not me and my daughter alone, especially if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, your natural hair, to keep it manageability, to keep your hair managing. Please don't miss this hair mask. Watch it to the end. So guys, let's check the benefit of rosemary. Rosemary is stimulating blood flows to the scalp, promoting hair growth, reducing dandruff, and stimulating hair follicles. Rosemary is also having nutrients, iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. What amazing. When you check about flaxseed, flaxseed also is defending curls, thicker hair, preventing breaking, adding moisture. It's also having nutrients, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, and also magnesium. Okay guys, let's check about hibiscus, the benefit of hibiscus. Hibiscus is also promoting hair growth, reducing hair falling, adding natural shining, preventing premature gray, also having nutrients, vitamin C, amino acid, and also antioxidant. So rosemary, that's hibiscus. So these things guys, if you are adding it to your hair, you are going to enjoy it. So after finish boiling this amazing powerful ingredients, I strain it. That's the water that I strain. This and I can use it so many things, but this one you don't need to waste this thing. Okay, so that one I'm going ahead to blend it because that one I'm going to use to make my hair mask. So I'm blending this thing ingredients. So after finish blending it, try to get, if your hair, your daughter hair looking like this, just imagine, look at the hair, look at the baby hair. So watch to the end, you will see the difference. Now what I'm talking now, I'm not bribing, is that this thing is working for me and my daughter. So now you see my rice flour. So I'm going to add this rice flour into it and I mix it, make it stay in the fire for something like 10 minutes before I can bring it out to mix my next ingredients and do it. So you see the hair, my people, this thing hair mask is working. It's working for me. Don't say that your baby doesn't, if your baby doesn't have hair, the only thing, just be patient. Your baby hair is going to change after seeing this video, and you cannot change your child hair again. You are still going to thinking about your child hair is not growing. My sister, my daughter, no, you don't need. Look at my daughter now, Charlie. Look at my daughter now. You can see the changes of my daughter hair. Everything is changing. And also don't worry, I'm still going to show you guys. Watch this video to the end. Yes, my love, watch to the end. You don't need to miss any part because after mixing everything now, yes, my love, even if you have dry hair, your hair is dry, use this thing to change your hair game, because we have some people that they have beautiful hair, but the hair, because of they cannot manage their natural hair, when you see it, it look like something else. Use hair mask to make sure that you can be able to be managing your hair very easy way for you not to be suffering for combing or anything. So guys, you can see the hair mask. Now after everything, I'm going to add oil inside, because sometimes this natural herbs, it can be dry. So for you to avoid the breaking, you know, you see this hair, if your hair is like this, it need hair mask. Put the hair mask on your hair. Look at the hair. Put hair mask in your daughter hair, your children hair, you yourself put it. Make sure the hair mask you put it in to make your hair get more manageability. I added my aloe vera oil. Now I'm adding amanda oil inside. I'm not adding the infusing oil, because why I'm not adding infusing oil, because this natural herbs is already natural herbs, though. That's why I'm just take my carrier oil, add it inside that way. And now I'm adding vitamin E oil inside. So guys, after adding this thing, do you think that is finished? No. Now I'm going to add my avocado essential oil inside. Okay, all these things is very helpful. If your hair is not growing, you started doing these things, please, if you have time, even once in a week is good. Now I'm going ahead to add my peppermint essential oil inside. So guys, no, don't miss it. What I'm talking, I mean, don't miss it. If you are plaiting your hair every 2 weeks, or at least before your wash day, after you finish remove your protective style, always make sure you put hair mask into your hair, so that your hair can be easier for you to manage it. Now the next ingredient is going to be my honey. Charlie, I'm not doing this hair mask with mixing this in, because I know definitely my daughter loves these things eating. So I'm making it more sweet for her, not for her to be eating. It's also having another benefit for your hair. It will help your hair get more softer, get more manageability. You will put your finger to detangle it. It look like a cotton. Charlie, your hair is going to look very soft while you are using this thing. I know I'm not putting relaxer into my hair, not to talk of my daughter hair, but when you see our hair, Charlie, you also will give up. You understand, yes, this is Princess and the Mother product. So this thing, don't joke with it. Try and watch it. If you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted, but I remind you guys, if you subscribe, it doesn't end that. You have to on the notification bell. Anytime when I upload new video, they will notify you. But if you subscribe without on the notification bell, it can happen that I'll post video, you will not see the video. And I'm sure you want to see what is going on with Princess hair. You are just wondering this child hair, because this hair growth challenge is 2025. 2025 is for me and my daughter. It's our year. Yeah, this year is our year. Please subscribe, okay? That's the channel. Bye bye. Subscribe to Mama channel. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.